jumped up a level through the first one. But the deal is to write an equation of a parabola in vertex form. Does anybody know what vertex form of parabola is? It's not on your phones. What's vertex form of a parabola? It's a good thing we moved the formula quiz to Thursday. Nope, it's not opposite b over 2a. That's how you find the x-coordinate of a parabola.
Y equals a,
I'm okay with that. Y equals
a bracket,
no bracket. Parentheses. What minus h? X.
a times a squared.
Squared. It's parabola. Okay. Your job is to write an equation in vertex form. It has a vertex at 0, 0, and it passes through negative 12, 18. So what does that vertex 0, 0 give you? That gives you your h, that gives you your k. That's easy. A times x minus nothing squared plus nothing. Are we okay with that substitution? Now you should clean that up a little bit. What's x take away 0? It's not 0, it's just x. This is a times an x that is squared, and it has this plus 0. If I clean it up just a little bit, that makes the next step easier. This is not the first time this has been done with you. You've got a point off the side. What can you do with that point? You can plug it in. The point gives you an x value and a y value to plug in. Everywhere you see x, you're negative 12, and everywhere you see y, you're negative 18. If you're going to square a negative, do you need to worry about its sign? I heard a but the answer is uh-uh. Okay, uh-uh is the correct answer. That's 12 squared. Always has been. I don't know why it changed today. So you got negative 18 equals 144a. And what are you going to divide by? 144. You can use a calculator if you want to on this. I don't really care. But that'll reduce. That's negative 9 over 72. Which is what? 1 over 7? I think. I should probably check today. No, I'm not 7. Blasted tired. 8th. What it is. Alright, so we think that's our answer. Negative 1/8 of x squared. Now let's see if I know what I'm doing here. I have no idea how they want this written out. I don't even think you have to put y equals, so I'm not going to. We'll find out, right? You do have to? Well, there we go. Well done. All right, I don't want to bore you with all this, so I'm going to jump to level 3. Because level 3's got fractions. Some of you guys will have to do at least one of these. So parabola opening up or down has a vertex of 2, negative 5, passes to the point 3, negative 19 quarters. Writes equation in vertex form. Well, we'll start off the same way we did the last one. Y equals a, parentheses, x take away what? H, and what is h? 2. Y squared plus k. What is k? 5. So minus 5. Now, the last one, we cleaned it up because there was a 0 in there, but there's no 0 in this one. So don't do anything with it. You just start plugging crap in. You've got your point there. What does your point give you? X and Y. Where you see a Y, you get to be this god-awful negative 19 quarters. And then where you see an X, what do you get to be? 3. Oh, it is 3 minus a 2. What's a 1 squared? Still a 1. So we have 1A minus a 5 equal to negative 19 quarters. Normally I'd show you how to do this by hand, but I told you to use a calculator. What are you going to add to both sides? 5. Negative 19 over 4, add 5. That's 0.25. If you don't know what 0.25 is a fraction, how do you convert it into a fraction? Math letter enter. Hopefully you know that by now, but I know not everybody does. My A value is a quarter. And I'm just going to take that and throw it right there. That should be my answer if I did everything right. But none of y'all corrected me, so we'll assume it's right. It looks like I know what I'm doing. So yeah, that's your goal. Your goal was 80, 90, 90 if honors, 80 if not. Like I said, it wasn't the first time we've done this. That was your review. It's 80 if you're not honors, 90 if you are.